Welcome to a journey back in time, to the late 19th century, an era marked by the advent of international trade, growth of global economies, and the extraordinary human ambition to reshape the world. It was during this period that the concept of the Panama Canal, a man-made marvel, was born. Panama, a slim land bridge separating the mighty Atlantic from the vast Pacific, had always tantalized explorers with its potential to provide a shorter maritime route between the two oceans. The idea of a canal through Panama was first proposed in the early 16th century, but it wasn't until the 19th century that serious planning began. In the late 1870s, the French, led by Ferdinand de Lesseps, the mastermind behind the Suez Canal, attempted to carve a sea-level canal through Panama. However, the harsh Panamanian jungle, the tropical diseases, and the financial woes proved to be formidable adversaries. The French effort tragically ended in failure, leaving over 20,000 workers dead and the project bankrupt. Yet the dream of the canal lived on. In the early 20th century, the United States, under President Theodore Roosevelt, took the helm. The U.S. adopted a different approach, opting for a lock canal design instead of a sea-level one. This design involved creating a man-made lake and using a series of locks to lift and lower ships. The construction, which began in 1904, was an engineering feat of unprecedented scale. The Americans deployed innovative techniques like using electrically powered excavation machines and constructing an extensive network of railways for waste removal. The most significant challenge, the Culebra Cut, a 9-mile-long mountain pass, was conquered with sheer determination and ingenuity. Despite the challenges, including yellow fever and malaria outbreaks, landslides, and labor strikes, the canal was completed in 1914, a testament to human resilience and engineering prowess. The Panama Canal, a 51-mile-long waterway, stands today as a symbol of human ingenuity, connecting the world in ways previously unimaginable. It has significantly reduced the time and distance for ships to travel between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, revolutionizing international maritime trade. In a nutshell, the Panama Canal's construction is a saga of human tenacity, engineering brilliance, and an unyielding desire to conquer nature's obstacles. It's a story that began with a vision in the 16th century, saw its first serious attempt by the French in the 19th century, and finally came to fruition under the Americans in the early 20th century. The canal stands today not just as a vital artery of global trade, but also as a monument to the indomitable human spirit. This concludes our voyage through the fascinating history of the Panama Canal, a journey that took us through the trials and tribulations of one of the most ambitious construction projects ever undertaken. A testament to the fact that with vision, determination, and a touch of audacity, humanity can indeed move mountains, or in this case, carve through them.